Welcome back. Let's find the product. The first one, we have x squared times inside we have a trinomial. Use distributive property. X times 6x squared. 6, keep the base, add the exponent. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Next one, x times negative 3x. Negative 3, keep the base, add the exponent. Last one, x squared times negative 1. Negative x squared. And you also need to check if the exponent is decreasing from left to right. If it's not, you need to rearrange it. Everything looks good, so let's move to the second one. The second one, we have 4 terms inside this parenthesis. We're still going to use distributive. First one, 4 times negative 2. 4 times negative 2, that's negative 8. And keep the base, we're going to add the exponent, that is 5. Alright, next one, 4 times 5, that is 20. And we're going to add the exponent, that is 4th power to the 4th power. And then this is negative 6, so negative 6 times 4, negative 24. Keep the base, add the exponent to the 3rd power. Last one, and times 2, so 2 times 4x squared is 8x squared. Alright, we have more practice. Okay, let's continue. For this type of question, I have 2 methods. My favorite method is I'm taking care of it as if I'm multiplying, let's say, 36 times 27. We all know how to do this. We're going to do this direction first, and 3 times 7. Then we go down, we shift forward, do 2 times 6, and do 2 times 3. So the idea is the same. I'm going to write down 3z plus 1, 2z minus 5. And I'm going to do negative 5 times 1. That's negative 5. Now I'm going to do negative 5 times 3z. That's negative 15z. Now I'm going to do, let me change the color. I'm going to do 2z times 1. That gives me 2z. I'm going to do 2z times 3z. That gives me 6z squared. Did you see I line them up? I have z to the 1st power line up. Okay? Alright. Now the last one is I'm going to add it. Negative 5, drop down. Negative 15 plus a positive 2. You can write down positive 2 here. And it is negative 13z. And drop down 6z squared. And we are done here. Earlier I said we're going to use 2 methods. So the second method is called FOIL. F is first. I'm going to copy down the original question right here. I'm going to take care of the first term. So it will be 3z times 2z. That is 6z squared. I'm going to take care of the outer. Outer means 3z times negative 5. That is negative 15z. I'm going to take care of I. I says inner. Inner is 1 times 2z. That is 2z. Positive. Okay, both of them are positive. Last one, L says last. Last is 1 times negative 5. That's negative 5. Now, remember to do combine like terms. Negative 15z plus 2z, negative 13z. Rewrite the other 6z squared minus 5. 2 different methods, same beautiful solution. Our last practice today, I will also demonstrate 2 methods. The first one, my personal favorite method. I treat it as if I'm taking care of a simple multiplication. For example, 360 65 days and times 12. And how do we do this? We all know how to do that, so the idea is the same. Okay? So I'm going to treat it as if it is multiply the real number. So copy down x squared plus 3x minus 1. Copy down the next layer. 2x plus 5. Check, check. Everything copied down correctly. Okay. I'm going to times negative 1 and positive 5. That gives me negative 5. I'm going to time positive 5 times positive 3x. So that is 15x. Now, 5 times x squared, 5 squared. Now I'm going to do second layer. 2x times negative 1. It's negative 2x, so I'm going to put down negative 2x. And the first layer, I'm going to put down positive here. Okay? All right. And the second layer, now I'm going to do 2x times 3x, which is 6x squared. Once again, did you see I line them up? The like terms, I line them up. Last one, I'm going to do 2x times x squared. So that is 2x to the third power. Now, we can add it. We're almost done. Drop down negative 5. 15 minus 2, 13x. 5x squared plus 6x squared, 11x squared. Drop down 2x to the third power. We are done here. Now, what is the next method? I'm going to copy down, show you the next method how to solve this. You can still use distributive. Take your time, check your steps, make sure everything is right. Sometimes we might copy down too quickly, we copy down the wrong one. Okay? Alright, distributive it is. First one, 2x times x squared. 2x to the third power. 2x times 3x. That is 6x squared. Okay? And the next one, that is 2x times negative 1. That is negative 2x. Next layer, you're going to do 5 times x squared. You can continue write horizontally. Since I run out of space, I decided to write down vertically. I will also line them up, list them vertically, and line the like terms. Put them all together, line them up. Okay? So 5 times x squared is 5x squared. And 5 times 3x is positive 15x. Last one, 5 times negative 1, that's negative 5. You see, if you continue write down horizontally, all in the same row, then you just need to go back to look at it and find the like terms. The beauty of writing them like this, line up, the like terms already line up. So it's very easy for you to calculate the last step. Very easy, okay? Negative 5, drop down, 15, and a negative 2, positive 13x. 6 and 5, that is 11x squared. 2x cubed, drop it down. Different method, same beautiful solution. And we are done. Happy learning.